Hi guys, I'm Zach from Colton RV and Marine, standing in front of the 2024 Grand Design Momentum 414M. This is the M class, so you're going to notice once you get into the M class Momentum, you're going to have the frameless windows. You have 3 large awnings, your outdoor TV. One thing that's nice as well is the M class. You get the hydraulic leveling system, so it's going to be a 6-point auto level system. Once again, that is hydraulic, not electric. Here's what the deck looks like when it's down. It is a 0 gravity door on the M class, so it's pretty simple to put down and put into any position you want. It only really takes one person. You don't need 2 people to help you on it. So with this being a Grand Design, it is going to be a fully walkable roof. It does have the collapsible ladder on the side, so that way when you're not using it, you can have it collapse just in this position. You do have your fuel station as well. So 4-wheelers, dirt bikes, motorcycles, if you got to fill up, you do have the space for it as well. The Momentum also comes with Cooper H-rated tires. So some of the best tires in the industry right now, so it'll be able to handle whatever you put in the back. It also does have the Motorride CRE 3000 suspension system. So that'll give you about 3 inches of suspension give. So when you're traveling down the road, if it's a rough road, it'll be able to ride a little bit better. This model also does come with a tankless hot water heater. So as long as you have water and propane, you're gonna have hot water. All right, so with the M class, I did mention earlier that it does have the one-touch auto level system. So once you pop this off your truck, get your truck out of your way, one click of the button, you can just completely auto level it and save you a bunch of time. This one does also have the water infiltration system. It is currently winterized with the filter outside of it. Then you'll have a couple propane systems. This fancy light here is called your Dexter Tow Assist. That pretty much, when you're traveling down the road, it is an anti-lock braking system that pretty much eliminates sway. So it's a sway mitigation system. So you're safer driving down the road, or if you're driving across the country and you get into the winds or stuff like that, it'll kind of be safe for you. And then with this one, it does have the generator drop, so it does open up a lot of storage for you. As you can see, we have a ladder, we have the cord, and the central vacuum system hoses, but just a bunch of storage in this toy hauler. It's really a great model. And then under here is your generator and battery boxes. And then on the pin box, you're going to have the Motorride pin box. So this pretty much acts as a shock absorber. So when you're traveling down the road and your trailer goes over a bump or something like that, it pretty much will absorb the shock so it doesn't travel to the truck. And you're also going to have your one-piece molded fiberglass front cap. All right, so let's go check out the inside. The first thing you're going to notice is you have your solid steps with a nice big handrail. All right, so I'm standing now in the inside of the 2024 Grand Design Momentum 414M. One thing you're going to notice is all the cabinet space you have. It is soft close cabinets and doors. Bunch of counter space. It's going to be solid surface countertops, residential size appliances. So you have your 4-burner stove, nice big oven, and a large microwave. It also does feature the smart sink. So you have your cup wash, your cutting board. So it does have the strainer as well as the wash station as well. And if you want to take all these out, you just have one nice large sink. It also does have a soap dispenser, and then it has the hose on the sink as well. Your big fridge and freezer. It's nice and deep, very large. As well as this massive pantry. So on this floor plan, we do have the freestanding dinette and chairs. That way, if you just have 2 of you or more, you can maneuver the chairs however you want. You do have your fireplace, your smart TV, as well as a bunch of storage. You have some theater seating as well, and then another sofa here too. All right, so if you want to come follow me and take a look in the garage. This is a fully insulated garage. So it has an insulated floor. It has your tie downs. This model does feature a half bathroom as well. It does have another nice loft over here as well, whether you use it for sleeping space or storage. It has the Happy Jack bunk system. As you can see, they are currently up. So if you're using this for the toy hauler purposes, that's how it'd be. But then you could also bring those down and set them up as a couch, beds, whatever you need. And then when you're not using it as a toy hauler, you can also use your back deck as a party deck as well. Nice big open area, has another awning off the rear and some lighting too. So now we're going to go check out the bathroom. This model does have the central vacuum system as well. So once you step into the bathroom, you're going to notice that on this model, it does have a one-piece fiberglass shower, which is very nice, so you're not going to have to worry about recaulking or anything like that. You have your porcelain toilet, and then as well as some cabinet space as well in the bathroom. All right, and then if you take a look in the bedroom, it is nice because it has the dual access to the bathroom. So you got a nice king size bed in here. This particular model does have 3 AC units, so it has an AC unit in the garage, the living space, and in the bedroom. You have some hidden storage as well, and then a bunch of drawers for your foldables. You also have massive storage in your front cap for your clothes or whatever you got to put in there. This one's for your hangers. And then some more foldable space in your cabinets. So plenty of storage space if you plan on using it for just weekends or full timing in it. Once again, my name is Zach from Colton RV and Marine. If you have any further questions on the Grand Design Momentum 414M, please feel free to give me a call at 716-694-0188, extension 406.